I'm going to graph this for you right now and show you what actually has happened. So we're going to quit. We're going to go to 3 and we're going to quit. I'm going to go back to the home screen. I'm going to clear the calculator screen by pushing F1 and 8, which clears the whole screen. And we're going to graph. We're going to put the main, that means the gold key here, yellow key, and F1. So we got the graph points. We're going to enter, we're going to graph the original function, which is 10 times x divided by x squared x squared plus 1. And we're going to graph it. That's be the yellow key, and up here says graph. So we're going to graph it. Okay, that's the function. Notice the smooth parabolas. If you did this close up, which I'll show you in a second, this is all smooth parabolas. All calculus can deal with is smooth parabolas. And now we're gonna go back and we're gonna put in the equation for the tangent line that we found. So we're gonna go back to F1 again, and we're gonna put in here, and we found out that the slope was 5. Actually, the equation was 5. It was 0 times 1 plus 5. So that's the equation for the tangent line in this. And then we're going to graph it again and see what happens. You'll notice that when the slope is 0, you have a horizontal line. That's a big deal in calculus, so remember that. Anytime the slope is 0, they always have you make the function equal 0, the first derivative, and so that means that a line can only touch a graph at one point, and so you notice that this is the maximum. Okay, this is the maximum. Remember that maximum minimums when you graph a function? Well, here it is. The horizontal line touches this graph at only one point, and that would be right here. Now, we can take the cursor, and you notice this little dot here comes up. We can take the cursor and we can go up here. We can keep going up to x equals, of course, x equals 0, and here's y equals 4.74. We can go right to 5, and then we can move it over, and we can zoom in on that. Notice how we can press F2 and then press number 2 here, and at that point we'll press enter, and you'll notice that you can zoom in at those points. Pretty neat. And there's that point there, and here's the straight line coming over. Now this is what we found, okay? And you'd have gotten 100% on this line, plus maybe understood it a little bit better. So, pretty neat, huh? Everystepcalculus.com. Go to my programs, enjoy my programs, pass your calculus class, and also subscribe to my blog or future videos to understand or not understand calculus and yet pass your test.